Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Nay. Today we're going to read a book called Numbers 1 to 9 by Teacher Nay. Let's begin. You can repeat after me. 1. One cat. 2. Two dogs. 3. Three birds. 4. Four turtles. 5. Five cows. 6. Six horses. 7. Seven goats. 8. Eight pigs. 9. Nine ants. The end. Now we're going to read numbers 1 to 9 flashcards. You can repeat after me. I will say each word 3 times. Let's go. 1. 1. 1. 2. 2. 2. 3. 3. 3. 4. 4. 4. 5. 5. 5. 6. 6. 6. 7. 7. 7. 8. 8. 8. 9. 9. 9. Okay, boys and girls, very good. It's time to go. Goodbye. See you next time.